Okay, Nick and I are here at the Whitney portal. We camped in the van overnight, Thursday night, and now it's 8 in the morning and we're about ready to start the portal. So we just did our first 3 miles of the Whitney Trail, and I am really lagging. This is the heaviest pack I've ever carried. I'm guessing about 65 pounds. Nick's at 55 pounds, and it's brutal. If you want to hike Whitney during the peak hiking season, you have to enter a lottery system in order to get your day permit. If you hike outside of the peak season, then all you have to do is show up at the station and then you get your day permit. The off season is November 1st to April 30th. Nick and I love hiking mountains in winter conditions, especially summiting extreme peaks, so it just made sense that we'd attempt Whitney in mid-April.
So Dave, are you pretty happy about what we had to do tonight?
No, not at all. My filter for my water filtration system, it's so mucked up that we can't get any water out of it, so we had to find water by other ways. The water source that we had was so disgusting that I wouldn't trust to drink it. So now we're boiling tons and tons of ice and tons of snow, and it is taking forever. We just spent probably an hour and a half trying to get 4 liters.
Oh yeah. It's already freezing again.
Yeah, you have to put it in your tent.
Huh. Son of a bitch.
Yep.
Did 99 switchbacks.
Hiking the 99 switchbacks in the snow was incredibly difficult. On our way back down, we decided to glissade. Glissading is when you sit down in the snow and you slide on your butt down the mountain. You do this to avoid switchbacks or hiking back down the mountain. It can be incredibly fast, it can save you time, but it's also really dangerous.
Oh, we're getting some speed now, boys! Whoa! Oh, I hope there's no rocks down here. Woo! Woo! Ugh. Ugh. Ate shit there. Okay. Ow, fuck. That was fucking awesome. Oh shit.
Hey Dave, how was hiking Whitney?
That was easy.